remember one time I had a regular 9-to-5 job, and for some reason I went there on a Saturday and I was doing some work. I think I was only going to work until about 1 p.m. I ended up staying because, not because I was working, but I needed to do some research online, and then once I was done I decided to do some research on something else, and it was about music. So I went ahead and I went to YouTube and I looked up something. I remember finding Nina Simone, the artist, and I was just so moved by her voice and her music. And I don't know when this song was created. It may have been the 60s, but she sang Strange Fruit, and the pictures of black men hanged on trees was like symbolic of the strange fruit. And I just remember I had never heard Nina Simone's voice before. It was just such an artful masterpiece of a video. I was so moved. I was sitting there sobbing by myself at my work desk on a Saturday afternoon thinking, how could people do this? How could people do this? Like, how could you do that to another person? Music is like the universal language. I'm sure you've heard a song that has moved you and made you really think and consider something, and I will never forget that moment. One, you can't forget those images. They're uncomfortable, but they're necessary to look at because things like that are still happening today. Hi guys, my name is Cami and welcome to my video and also to my channel. If you are new here, I'm glad to have you. If you're not new here, then welcome back. So I haven't uploaded on this channel in a while. I usually do makeup tutorials and beauty videos here, and it's been over a month since I've uploaded anything. I'm here and there's a whole long story about where I've been over the last month to 2 months, but this video is about something different. It's not specifically about where I've been for 2 months. This video, I do want to highlight Black-owned makeup, cosmetic, and beauty brands, but I also want to preface that with just acknowledging the time and the tone of what is going on right now here in North America and really spilling over into the rest of the world. I just have a few notes here, but I wanted to talk with you face to face from my heart and just tell you what I have been experiencing. I've been posting about Black Lives Matter and giving information about how you can help if you're interested. I hope that you are. On my other social media outlets, on Twitter and on Instagram. I'm just really interested in uploading this video now because I think it's a part of continuing the conversation. That last week of May, first week of June was super intense for everyone. I feel like now it's 2 weeks, 3 weeks after that, and the conversation about ending racism still need to continue. I also just want to share with you something personal because I am of mixed race, but you can clearly see I am a black woman. I am married to a black man. Okay, I know I have notes, but I just really want to tell you guys how I feel, and I want to tell you exactly what's going on because it should be talked about. We can't keep quiet. It should be talked about. Addressing it head on is the only way to sort it out and get to the bottom of it. And no one deserves to be murdered at the hands of another person. Black men being killed by gunshot, hanging, physical aggression, violence just because of the color of their skin is completely disgusting. And it's not all police officers are bad. Not all of them, but what we have seen in this country as of late, it's being filmed and you cannot deny that it's happened. So this hits home for me. Every time one of us leaves out of our front door, the separation, you don't know what to do in the unknown. Of course, you just have to go to work, run that errand. You just think you're doing regular things, but it is a real possibility that something could happen to one of us and something unjust could, you know what I mean? Like, it really hits home for me. So I just want to encourage you, please have the conversation about ending racism, please, so that you can help end the cycle. The conversation should continue until racism is over and ended. It should. So I can't wait to see, you know, what everyone else is writing about this next month and the coming months, because if you're an ally, I think that you should not go silenced. You should say something. Thank you guys so much for listening to the first half of my video and just hearing me speak about my personal experience being Black and with racism and how it makes me feel and what the Black community would love from you being an ally. So the second part of this video is highlighting Black-owned makeup and beauty brands and creatives. So I want to amplify their voices, and your economic support in this area really matters. It will have exponential positive effects, and that is what most people want in an ally. As an ally, I hope that you would reach out and donate. I'm going to put some websites down below in the description box. If you want to donate, you can click there and it's going to take you to where you can donate to different funds for different incidences that have happened as of late. I'm going to go ahead and tell you about a list of amazing Black-owned beauty brands. They all have Instagram handles, and I want you to visit them and check them out, see their works, check out their products, comment, like, share pictures that you are interested in, and here we go. I just really wanted to make sure I was saying the right things, but what are the right things other than to be there for people? I was gone for a while, but I want to be here for you. I've had support in person here in my home with my husband. We've been supporting each other through this, and I just want you to know I love you guys too, and I'm here to support you. And especially I urge you to talk to children. Let them know that most people are good people and loving people, and that most behaviors are learned, and if they're a child, then they can learn to show love to another person. It doesn't matter the color of their skin. It doesn't matter at all. A person is a person. I hope that you are an ally to the Black community. Let me know if you've heard about any of these brands in the comments down below. Let me know if you're interested in purchasing a product that you've already heard about from a brand that I mentioned in the comments down below. I'd love to just like read and chat with you guys there. I love you so much, and don't forget to watch my very next video that's coming out, because it is a makeup tutorial. And check me out also on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I love you so much, and I will see you soon.